Lorne Tractors Limited was a small manufacturer located in southern Ontario, and they built about 100 pieces of equipment from the mid-1920s into the early 1930s. This engine, built on a 1926 International chassis, has an interesting history in that it was originally built for the Volunteer Fire Brigade in the town of Aurora, sold off after years of service, and then rediscovered sitting in a field by members of the Aurora Fire Department, bought back, and restored to the condition that you see here. While Aurora's fire department was combined with that of Newmarket back in 2002 to form Central York Fire Services, this truck is still kept in a bay at Station 43 on Edward Street in Aurora. Cosmetically restored, it runs and drives, and most recently was at our 2023 recruit class graduation. One of our retired members, who's instrumental in keeping the truck going, is getting ready to drive it back to 4-3 from Station 4-5 where the graduation was held. It's about a 3-mile drive back to Station 4-3 from here. And this is engine 431 from Station 4-3, a 2014 Spartan, showing just how much fire apparatus has changed in the course of 88 years.